Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the lighting of an LED using breadboard. To light the LED, we will be needed an Arduino board, some jumper wires, a 220 ohm resistor, a LED, and a breadboard. Coming to the wiring, firstly here I am connecting the GND pin of Arduino to the negative pin of breadboard. Similarly, doing the same with 5 volt connecting with the positive pin of breadboard. Next I am connecting the short leg of the LED to GND and long leg to any of the random pin of breadboard. As we are using pin number 8, that's why we require a 220 ohm resistor so that the LED could light itself safely. Connecting the long leg of the LED to pin number 8 along with a 220 ohm resistor. Here I am providing you the circuit diagram of our wiring for the benefit. Coming to the code, here as you can see the code is same as the previous project where we have light the LED without using breadboard. The only change that has been made here is the digital pin, which has been changed from 13 to 8 as we are using resistor. That's why I am not explaining the same. If you face problem in understanding the code, watch my previous video to understand the code again. Let's upload the code to see the desired result. Here as you can see our LED is glowing along with the breadboard and a resistor. Thanks for watching, and for more tutorials stay tuned and subscribe our channel. We will be back very soon with our new videos.